Hi everybody, this is Aaron, and this is a demonstration of the logging software that we'll be using for field day this year. When you first open the software, this setup screen will pop up and it gives you an opportunity to put in your call sign if you're going to be the operator and your initials. Now if the software has already been running and you just happen to sit down at the station, you don't have to close and reopen the software to see that screen. You can come up to the top menu, click on Operator, and you can put in your information. So that would be the first thing anyone would do if they're sitting down at the station and getting ready to operate, is start by changing your operator call sign and your initials. The second thing, and you can see right here, is you're ready to begin. Please select your band and mode. So you'd go up to the top and select band, and let's say we're going to operate in the 20 meter band, and our mode for this session is going to be phone. So that's all you have to do to get the software ready. Now, to give you a quick lay of the land, this is where all your recent contacts are accumulated so you can see them all. Here's some scoring information about how you're scoring for field day. This section shows you all the regions in North America, Canada, and the US. And so as you're making contacts, you can see that certain areas are marked off, and it tells you which areas you haven't picked up yet. Over here are the three fields that you're going to enter data into as you're logging. And down at the bottom is important information about the station. You always can visually see which band you're operating on, which mode you're operating in. You can see the club station call sign, what our class is for the contest, 1 Alpha, and what our section is, British Columbia. There's also a handy clock down in the corner giving you local time and UTC time. So when it comes time to enter someone into the logger, let's say you're making a contact with a guy in California, so you could type in K6III. You can either hit tab or space to advance to the next field. Let's say they're operating a 2 Alpha station, and their section in California is LAX. Once those three fields are filled in, hit enter and you're done. So now let's say we'll make another contact, K5KG. I'll hit tab this time instead of space, but it does the same thing. Advances to the next field. I'll hit their class. We'll say they're 1 Alpha, and let's say their section is Florida, so FL. Did I get that right? Is there a FL? And no, FL is not correct. So let's say they're somewhere else. Let's say they're Connecticut. There you go. Hit enter and it's in. So very easy software to use. Anytime the next person sits down, all they want to do is change their operator information, make sure that the band and mode is still correct, and then go back to populating those three fields: call, class, and section. That's it. Pretty easy software. When the weekend's done, it'll generate compatible ARRL field day logs, and we'll be able to submit them to get scored. See you at field day.